everybody. Now I am conducting class 7 geography class. Again I am repeating now I am conducting class 7 geography class. How are you all? Hopefully you all have enjoyed this summer recess. Now today onwards we start the online classes again, and today we will go to the last topic from climate of India. Okay, that is the last part. Okay, last part, that is distribution of rainfall. Already we have learned the climate of India. We all know that India is which type of climate we are experiencing. We are experiencing tropical monsoonal climate. So tropical monsoonal climate, there are few features of this kind of climate. Already we have gone through all that things. Even we know the characteristics of this climate. We know about the monsoon burst, about the certain changes of the monsoonal climate which affect our economy, which affect our life, which affect everything, and many climatic hazards, many climatic positivity, many climatic negativity. Already we have learned about all this. Now the last portion, distribution of rainfall. Distribution of rainfall, if you will go through, then we will get few things. Okay, which few things we will get? Like the Western Ghats and the Eastern Coastal Plain. What is the Western Ghat and the Eastern Coastal Plain? We can experience that Western Ghat and Eastern Coastal Plain, both these two ghats are very important for distributing the rainfall. Okay, these two mountain ranges are very important for distributing the rainfall. Then parts of northeast. Which part we can go through? Part of northeast. That portion is also very important. Why it is very important? Because that portion is also very important for us, because as we know that the monsoonal wind, okay, the both the streams from the Arabian Sea and from the Bay of Bengal, they go and stuck over the Himalayan range, and from there the distribution of rainfall gradually it distributed all over the India. You know that May, June, especially the month of May, when we are experiencing extreme hot, already Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, that area rainfall, they started their rainfall already started. That means first that area started rainfall, then gradually now we are facing the monsoonal rainfall, because now the monsoon start to retreat from that side and then it start to distribute all over the country. Okay, the Western Ghats are located in the direction of the monsoon wind. Yes, we all know that. And these area also accept the rainfall. Even what is happening when the retreating monsoon, I also described this portion, still I want to repeat once more. The retreating monsoon also, when it start to become retreat, then what is happening? That retreating monsoon also stuck over the Eastern Ghats. And then again the last few, whatever the moisture laden wind, whatever the moisture is there, they start the rainfall, and that area also started with huge amount of rain. Okay, and that is like month of October. So in the month of October you can see, or you can know that that time Chennai is facing flood. Many times it is happening that many flood projects, many things, many programs, flood donation programs are taking because of these kinds of things. Because Chennai that time retreat, due to the retreating monsoon, every year almost the Coromandel coast or Chennai facing huge amounts of rainfall. And as a result, huge amount of economically disaster, huge amount of economically loss we can face. Okay, these are the common thing that we can face over here. So this is very important thing. We have completed the full chapter. I hope next day onwards I can give you the question answers, but I really tell you few names again. I want to see the copy. Please send the copies, send this through email, because otherwise it will be very high burden for all of you. Okay, so already we have started, we have completed so many topic. Okay, already we have completed 4 chapters. Like the first chapter, that is about extension and that geographical representation. Then we have completed the second chapter, population. Then we have completed the third chapter, seventh chapter, that is India's location, physical. Then number 8, India climate, and fourth chapter we have completed along with question answers. Okay, now this chapter, next day I will provide you the question answers. Then this chapter also completed. Then I will start the new chapter. After that, ultimately we complete the first sem syllabus. So be ready. Don't be very casual that schools are not opening, so I don't need to learn, and not don't do that thing. Whatever classes were doing going on, follow that class, start to revise. Okay, and next I will give you some more assignments that you will do and send me through mail. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye bye, and be safe and healthy. Okay, bye.